In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal Express checkout error on Shopify. If you've been running into issues with this integration, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you rely on smooth transactions to keep your business moving. Fortunately, I'm here to guide you through an efficient process to resolve this issue, ensuring that your customers can comfortably make purchases again. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your payments section within Shopify. This is where all your payment methods are managed, including PayPal Express Checkout. If you're experiencing any trouble with this integration, it often helps to try deactivating PayPal initially, then activating it again. By doing so, you're essentially giving it a fresh start. This step can often remedy minor glitches or temporary network issues that may have disrupted the connection between Shopify and PayPal. Deactivation and reactivation can refresh the authentication and rectify the error without delving deeper into more complex settings. Now, if you find that after reactivating PayPal, the issue persists, don't worry, there's another approach you can take. At this point, it's perfectly reasonable to consider using an alternative payment method. A popular choice among Shopify users is Stripe, known for its reliability and ease of use. Stripe integrates seamlessly with Shopify and offers a wide range of features that may even enhance your payment processing experience. Switching to Stripe or any other preferred payment gateway is a straightforward process, but it's essential to remember that customer convenience should always be at the forefront. Whether you're providing a temporary solution while resolving issues with PayPal or looking for a long-term alternative, your priority should be maintaining an easy and secure checkout experience for your clientele. This flexibility not only keeps your store operating smoothly, but also reassures your customers that you have their best interests at heart, especially in terms of transaction security and efficiency. As you explore these options, it's good to know that broadening the range of payment options available can actually benefit your store in the long run. By offering various methods, you're accommodating different customer preferences and potentially capturing sales from those who may prefer alternative gateways. Remember to communicate any changes effectively with your customers to avoid confusion and ensure their shopping journey remains seamless. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Implementing these solutions should help navigate and resolve the PayPal Express checkout error on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you run into any further issues or have questions about these steps, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials helping you enhance every aspect of your Shopify store's performance.